What's up guys, it's Dan here again. Thank you so much for allowing me to teach you this quick little technique that I love for DMT breathing. It really allows you to oxygenate the body so much more than anything I've ever discovered. And here it is. So when you're engaging in a two-part breath where you're laying down, where you have two inhales and an exhale, the first inhale is going to be with your belly. Your belly should go up. Now, what a lot of people do is they think that their lungs end right here. They think that their breath, because belly breathing is good, we think that our breath ends when we can no longer get air into our belly. That's wrong. We have a whole lung cage and capacity here. So when we fill up the belly, we then can take another inhale through our lungs. Specifically, think about the back of your lungs. When you breathe into the back of your lungs, your shoulders will raise up. So it's an inhale through your belly, an inhale through your lungs, letting go. So it's a three-part breath. 1, 2, 3. Now the key that I want you to remember as you're doing this is if you come in a little closer, you can see how when I breathe through my belly and then I breathe through my lungs, my belly actually drops a little bit. So what that's gonna do is allow you to go up with the belly, down with the belly, and then when you go down with the belly and you fill up just your lungs on the second part of your inhale, what this is doing, belly first, number 1. Number 2 is it's creating a stomach vacuum, mula bandhi. And what this is gonna allow you to do is flex your lower abdominal muscles. After we've done a few rounds of this breath work where we fully exhale, I'm gonna invite you guys, just like in alkaline breathing, to do a squeeze with your body. You can squeeze like this, you can squeeze like this. Whatever you have to do, you'll now be able to contract these muscles because you've accessed what it feels like to pull in your stomach. And it helps to be in a fasted state. Right now, I'm on my 3rd day of fasting, so it's a lot easier for my belly to go down on that second part of my inhale. Once again. This can be done through nose breathing. This can be done through mouth breathing. There's no right or wrong, but what I find is the most powerful for the DMT effect, which of course the DMT is housed in the lungs, is gonna be the mouth breathing the whole time on this particular type of breath work. All right guys, so give that a try. Let me know what you think. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to be giving you more breathwork tips. I'll see you guys in the next video.